Hi students, good morning. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. We are learning our second chapter integral calculus 1. We have completed exercise 2.6 up to problem number 13. Let's start from problem number 14. I hope you all completed your homeworks. Integrate integral of e power x into x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole cube dx. Okay. So solution. So seeing this one we come to know e power x into something. So e power x into something means we can use the formula e power x, that is integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to, what's the integration? That is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So you keep it in mind here, f of x plus f dash of x dx means we can substitute by using the formula. For that, let's rearrange the question like this. That is e power x into, I am going to add and subtract 1 here. Okay. So x plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So I add and subtract 1 minus 1. Okay. Into dx. Now we are going to split this into two integrals. That is integral of e power x into x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube minus 1 means minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. Sorry, x plus 1 the whole cube. Just I add and subtract 1 and I rewrite that particular integral as 2. Okay. Now listen here. So now whole power 3. Now this term and here it will get cancelled. So 2. So what's the balance? Integral of e power x into 1 by x plus 1 the whole square minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole cube into dx. So that's equal to, now see here we come to know, now it is in the form of f of x, that is 1 by x plus 1 the whole cube. When you are differentiating 1 by x the whole power square means what will you get? Minus 2 by x plus 1 the whole cube you will get, is it right? So we can write it as e power x into f of x. What's the f of x value? 1 by x plus 1 the whole square plus c. So this is answer. Understand? So if in any problem e power x into something means we can change it as f of x plus f dash of x. That is the integral value is e power x into f of x plus c. So here I add and subtract 1 and I rewrite that as two integrals and I used by using f of x plus f dash of x formula and I wrote the answer. Okay, have you got it? Okay, let's move to next question. Next question is integrate integral of e power 3x minus 1 divided by 9x square into dx. So here also e power x is there, is it right? So we can use the formula. So you can try by using the formula we can solve or not. Okay. So here e power x into f of x plus f dash of x is 3x by 9x square minus 1 by 9x square. So if you are taking 3x by 9x square you will get 1 by 3x, is it right? So but there minus 1 by 9x square you will get, is it right? So better you can use the formula. So I am considering one substitution here. Let z is equal to 3x. So z square how much you will get? 9x square. Okay. So dz how much you will get? 9z. How much you will get? Dz is equal to 3x is there. So how much you will get? 3 dx. Is it right? Now you can substitute here. That is integration of e power 3x means you will put as z into z minus 1 divided by z square. What's the value for dx here? Dx is equal to dz by 3. Okay. So we substitute here as dz by 3. Okay. So that's equal to, what will happen then? Shall we take this 1 by 3 outside? 1 by 3 into e power z into z minus 1 divided by z square into dz. So that's equal to 1 by 3 into e power z into, shall I split as 2? So z by z square minus 1 by z square into dz. So 1 z and this will get cancelled. So what's the balance? 1 by 3 into e power z into 1 by z minus 1 by z square. So seeing this, we can use the formula or not? Yes, is it right? So integral of e power x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to, what's the formula? E power x f of x plus c. So what here it is, f of x means 1 by z. So f dash of x, when you are finding, you will get 1 by z square. Is it right? So we can use the formula 1 by 3 into e power z into f of x. What's the f of x value? 1 by z plus c. Now you can substitute the z value. That is 3 into e power 3x into 1 by z value 3x plus c. So this is the answer. Have you got it? Okay. So this section fully over. So let's move to the next section. Understand? I hope you all understand this section. Some example problems and 15 exercise questions are there. So learn it thoroughly. Okay. Let's move to the next model. So 2.7. So next section is type number 7. Okay. The topic is some special types of integral. The section type is some special type of integral. That is type number 7. Type 7. Some special types of integrals. Listen here students, next type is some special types of integrals. All of you take your book, type number 7. Okay, turn to page number 38 and go through there. So when will you use this? Okay, so first we need to learn when will you use this formula. Okay, so type number 7, when you are seeing the question, simply you can't identify which type is. Okay, so how we will find out? That is to evaluate the integrals of the form. If an integral is of the form integral of dx by ax square plus bx plus c. Otherwise integral of dx divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Otherwise integral of square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. So if any one of the question is in this 3 types, any one of these 3 types, we will use the formulas. Here there are 6 formulas, very important. You must learn the 6 formulas. Without learning the 6 formulas, you can't do the problems. Then one more thing is there. First we have to express the denominator as the sum or difference of the 2 square terms by using the completing the square method. So in 10th grade you have learned completing the square method. Is it right? So many of them they will leave there. Yes, they won't learn. That is in 3rd chapter we won't learn. Okay, algebra, everything you will learn. But we will leave the completing the square method. Okay, seeing that itself you will afraid and you will leave that. But this section fully we are going to use completing the square method. Okay, so those who not learn till now, again we need to learn the completing the square method. So here we are going to solve by using completing the square method. Otherwise we can't do the problem. So first we are going to learn all the formulas. First formula is, please children take down your notes. Integral dx divided by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a into log of modulus of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. This is the first formula. Second formula is integral of dx divided by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a into log of mod x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Then third formula is integral of dx divided by square root of x square minus a square is equal to log of modulus x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Then fourth formula is integral of dx divided by square root of x square plus a square is equal to log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Then formula number 5, integral of square root of x square minus a square into dx is equal to x by 2 square root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Finally, integral of square root of x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 square root of x square plus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Listen here children, without learning the 6 formulas you can't touch this section. Okay, so very important, the 6 formulas. First formula, second formula, third formula, fourth formula. That 4 formulas are nearly similar but small slight changes are there. What's the change? Denominator here a square minus x square. Here x square minus a square form. Next one square root of minus, next one square root of plus. Then these 2 formulas are similar. Here it is minus, here it is plus. See the difference and learn all the 6 formulas. Without learning this you can't do. Okay. So if you are thorough in the 6 formulas, just we are going to substitute. That's all. Understand students? So okay, let's move to the question. So when you are doing the problem you will get somewhat idea. Okay. Let's move to the question. Example 2.40. First question is evaluate integral of dx divided by 16 minus x square. Okay, solution. Integral of dx divided by 16 minus x square is equal to, listen students, you know the formula for a square minus x square. We know the formula for x square minus a square. We know root of x square minus a square, root of x square plus x square. Is it right? So here we can change like this. Dx divided by 16. How will you write a square? 4 square minus x square. Now it is in the form of what form? Shall we see from the formula? So a square minus x square form. So we will use the first formula here. The formula is integral of dx divided by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a into log of modulus of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So this is a formula we are going to use here. Just to substitute in the formula, that's all. So integral of dx divided by 4 square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2 into a value. What's the a value? 4. Is it right? So 2 into 4 log of modulus of a value 4 plus x divided by 4 minus x plus c. That is equal to 1 by 8 into log of modulus of 4 plus x divided by 4 minus x plus c. So this is the answer. Have you got it? So if you know the formula thoroughly, just we substituted in the formula. Got it? Okay. Let's move to the next. Without learning the formula, we can't do. Okay. 4.1. Evaluate integral of dx divided by 1 minus 25x square. Okay. So, how will you do this one? How will you do this one? We need to change the denominator in the form of a square minus x square, otherwise x square minus a square. So, first we are going to rearrange this, right? Solution. So, I am going to take 1 by 25 outside. So, what will happen here? Dx divided by 1 by 25 you took outside, is it right? So, 1 by 5 the whole square I took outside. So, already I took 25 outside. Here it is no 25. So, minus x square, correct? That's equal to, now it is in the form of integral of dx divided by a square minus x square. What's the formula? 1 by 2a into log of modulus of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. That is 1 by 25 is in already outside. So, what's the formula I'll use here? 1 by 2a. So, 2 into a value is 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 log of, what's the a value? This one is the formula we'll use here. So, what's the formula? 1 by 5 plus x divided by 1 by 5 minus x mod plus c. Okay. So, that's equal to 1 by 25 into, shall we bring this to up? So, what will happen? This will go up, is it right? So, 2 into 5 is 2. sorry, 2 by 5, is it right? If you are bringing up, what will happen? 5 by 2 into log of 1 by 5 plus 6 divided by 1 by 5 minus x plus c. Okay. So these two terms will get cancelled. So what's the balance you will get here? 1 by 10 into log of modulus of 1 by 5 plus x divided by 1 by 5 minus x plus c. That's equal to 1 by 10 into log of, what's the LCM? 5 is LCM. So 1 plus 5x divided by, again 5 is LCM, 1 minus 5x plus c. So this 5 and 5 get cancelled. What's the balance? 1 by 10 into log of modulus of 1 plus 5x divided by 1 minus 5x plus c. Got it? So very easy. So always you keep it in mind. First you need to check whether it is in the form of dx by a square minus x square or x square minus a square. You need to check it first. So here when you are checking time, here it is not in the form of square. Is it right? So better you can take 1 by 25 outside. So if I am taking 1 by 25 outside, so what will happen? Dx divided by, here there is no 25. So we will divide. Is it right? By 25, in that place I put as 5 square minus x square. Now it is in the form of a square minus x square. Now just to substitute in the formula. Finally, here 5 is LCM. If you take, you will get the answer. Understand, children? Okay. Let's move to next question. Example 2.42. Evaluate integral of dx divided by 2 plus x minus x square. Okay. Listen here, children. Now this problem is somewhat different. First you need to check how is the numerator, denominator. In the denominator it's a quadratic equation. Am I right? So I said already, if it's a quadratic equation, you need to solve by using which method? Completing the square method. Okay, so I know you will not study, is it right? Completing the square method. Okay, so for first problem alone, I will explain neatly how we will solve by using the completing the square method. Okay, afterwards we will skip that. Okay, so in this problem alone, I will give the full steps for you. Okay, so here what we are going to do is, first we will take the denominator here. What's the denominator? 2 plus x minus x square. Now rearrange this. Minus x square plus x minus 2 plus 2. Now here it is minus. So you can take the minus outside. So what will happen? X square minus x minus 2. Okay. So always you keep this minus outside. X square minus x. Bring this minus 2 to that side. Yes. What's the first step in completing the square? Those who don't know completing the square, take your 10th standard book and first we will take the constant that side. That's the first step we will follow here. Okay. So next step, what will you do? X square minus x, half of the coefficient of x we will add and subtract. So this side you will add half of the coefficient, the whole square. Are you remember? So that side also you will do half of the coefficient of x. So what's the half of the coefficient? So here the coefficient is 1. So half means 1 by 2. Yes. So square means 1 by 2 the whole square. We need to add on both sides. That's the second step. So what's the first step in completing the square? Already you learned one section fully in 10th standard. Again I am repeating. So listen here very carefully. So next problem onwards just I will skip. Okay. So first what did you do? We will rearrange the linear equation, quadratic equation. Afterwards take down the constant to the next slide. Next step what did you do? Second step is we will take the half of the coefficient of x, the whole square. We will take and add on both sides. Now you have added. Now this minus is an outside. I am writing this as x minus 1 by 2 the whole square. This side 2 plus 1 by 4. That is minus of x minus 1 by 2 the whole square. 4 into 2 means 8. 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. Okay. So now let us bring this 9 by 4 this side. So what will happen? Here it is minus. Is it right? So if you are bringing this one to this side, what will happen? 9 by 4. Here it is positive. When you are bringing this side, it will change as positive, negative. But here already one minus is there. So it will change as positive. 9 by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay. But in your 10th standard and all, afterwards you will find the x value. But here we will stop here. Understand? Here how you will have a doubt. Why ma'am, if here it is plus, when you are bringing this side also again you are writing plus. What's the meaning? Here it is 1 minus, is it right? So otherwise you need to write one more step. You need means you can write one more step. What's the next one more step? Minus into x minus 1 by 2 the whole square. When you are bringing this to this side, what will happen? Minus of 9 by 4 you will get. So here already one minus is there. So if you are multiplying with this minus, you will get minus plus 4. Understand? If you need, you can write it. Otherwise, no need. So now you can write it here. That is dx divided by. How can I write 9 by 4? Shall I write 3 by 2 the whole square? Minus x minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Got it? How I wrote from this step? How I wrote 9 by 4? How I can write? 3 by 2 the whole square. X minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay? Now you can use the formula. Integral of dx divided by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So, shall we substitute? That is equal to 1 by 2 into a value 3 by 2. Log of a value 3 by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus of x, minus into minus plus 1 by 2. See. Carefully you need to substitute, very carefully you need to substitute. So 1 by 2 into what's the a value? 3 by 2 log of a plus x, a value 3 by 2 plus x value x minus 1 by 2. Then divided by a minus, that is 3 by 2 minus x, minus of minus, it will change as plus 1 by 2. Okay, so that's equal to, this term will get cancelled. So 1 by 3 into log of, take the LCM on the numerator, 2 is the LCM. So 3 plus 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus 2x plus 1 divided by 2 plus c. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. That's equal to 1 by 3 into log of 2x plus 2 divided by 4 minus 2x plus c. Okay, got it? That is equal to, shall we take the common outside? 1 by 3 into log of 2 you can take from numerator and denominator. So what's the balance? X plus 1 divided by 2 minus x plus c. It's modulus, it's not bracket, it's the modulus. Okay, so it's the modulus. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. So what's the answer? 1 by 3 log of modulus of x plus 1 divided by 2 minus x plus c. Got it? Okay, very important section, as well as you want to be very careful when you are doing here. So completing the square method, what will you do? First you will change the linear equation, quadratic equation in a form of x square, x and constant. Next step, what will you do? Bring the constant to the next side. Next step, what will you do? Half of the coefficient of square you will add on both sides. Next, a minus b, the whole square formula. Bring everything to one side and just you substitute in the formula and simplify. You will get the answer. Got it? Okay. So one more question we can do today. Evaluate integral of dx divided by 4x square minus 1. So, solution, integral of dx divided by 4x square minus 1. So, if it is a quadratic equation but the x term is missing, so directly you can do. So, what will you do here? Dx divided by, so here 1 by 4 you can take outside. So, 1 by 4 outside means what will happen? X square minus 1 by 4. Okay, so that's equal to 1 by 4 into integral of dx divided by x square minus 1 by 2 the whole square. That is, what's the formula? Okay, listen here. So this is a formula we'll use here. What's the formula? 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. So you'll have it out. Or previous problem you do in completing the square method. This problem no need to do in completing the square method. It's a quadratic equation, but here It is in the form of x square minus a square. Okay, so you can do it by using the formula. So here what I did, I took 1 by 4 outside. So here x square minus 1 by 4. So it is a square number, 1 by 2 the whole square. Now you can substitute in the formula. So what's the formula? 1 by 4 is an outside, so that one separate. 1 by 2 into a value is 1 by 2 log of modulus of x minus a value 1 by 2 divided by x plus 1 by 2 plus c. Okay, so that's equal to this 2 terms will get cancelled. What's the balance? 1 by 4 into log of LCM. Take the LCM. 2x minus 1 divided by 2. 2x plus 1 by 2. That's the LCM. So plus c. So this 2 terms will get cancelled. So 1 by 4 into log of modulus of 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 plus c. Got it? I will repeat. So here it is a quadratic equation, but there is no x term, is it right? So dx divided by x square minus a square form you can change by taking 1 by 4 outside. So just if you substitute the formula, take the LCM inside the modulus, common terms you can cancel, it will get the answer. Okay, got it? So the section is very very important. Please children learn the 6 formulas first before learning the formula. When you are starting to do the problems, if you are learning the formula, then only it will be very easy for you. So please learn the 6 formulas thoroughly. Okay, if you are understanding and learning, it will be easy for you. So here a minus x square means 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a. Both formulas also correct. Here a plus x, here means x minus a, it will change. So you differentiate two formulas and you can learn, then only it will be easy for you. Only there will be a sign change. Okay, so in this 2 formula, 1 by 2a it won't come. Here inside it will be different. So first 2 formula you differentiate it, this 2 formula, this 2 formula. Like that you learn it and write it 2 or 3 times, and afterwards you move to the question. Then only it will be very easy for you. Those who are not thorough in completing the square method, please take down your 10th standard book. There one exercise fully you have learned completing the square method. There problems you take and do it 2 or 3 problems. Afterwards you practice this one. Then only it will be very easy for you. Understand? Because there in that book only all the steps are given correctly. So you can learn the steps one time, then you will get somewhat practice. After learning that, you can go through this, then only it will be very easy for you. Okay, it's the time to give the homeworks for you. Take your books, children. Okay, problem number 1 is your homework for you. Exercise 2.7. Problem number 1 is your homework. Okay, so the problem number 1 is 1 by 9 minus 16x square. Will you do? This one you can change as 3 square. This one you can change as 4x the whole square. Is it right? So afterwards what's the formula you can use? A square minus x square formula directly you can use. Okay. Then next one is, next problem number 4 is your homework. Fourth problem, 1 by x square minus x minus 2. You will have a doubt, ma'am, here on dx is missing, like that. Is it right? So in your question it is given integrate. So the meaning is dx, is it right? So dx by x square minus x minus 2. This one, completing the square method you need to use. One problem we have completed, that is 1 minus will be there, is it right? So same problem, small sign change must be there. So first problem, fourth problem, fifth problem is your homework. Fifth question is dx divided by x square plus 3x plus 2. So in this problem also completing the square method you need to use. Understand? So this 2 problem completing the square method you need to use, and afterwards find out the factors, and afterwards you need to do this problem directly you can apply by using the formula. Have you got it? So okay. So this 3 problems you do it as your homework. So from next example, example 2.44 we will be seeing the next class, children. Be safe, do the homeworks, study the formulas thoroughly, then only it will be easy for you. Maintain your classwork every day, learn your everyday portion, learn the formula, please write it separately and learn, then only you won't get confusion. Okay, do this homework. We will meet in the next class. From example 2.44 we will continue. Okay students, be safe, thank you, we will meet in the next class.